Here are my 6 top tips on how to convert more dental patients into facial aesthetic patients. As a dental professional, I understand the power of incorporating facial aesthetics into your dental practice. Increased my revenue, gave me stable cash flow, and make my work varied by seeing patients that wanted to see me, not needed to see me. In this video, I'm going to unlock the secrets to make you stand out from your competitors. Step 1. Crafting an irresistible value proposition. Many dental professionals are concerned with pricing. It's not always about pricing, but the value you offer. So what you want to do is package your toxin or dermal filler price with what happens before the appointment, what happens during the appointment, and what happens post-appointment. Talking about maybe you give free top-ups, maybe talking about the medical grade products that you use, maybe talking about the aftercare that you provide in terms of out-of-contact emergency numbers. Tip 2, I want to talk about leveraging your internal marketing. To launch and grow your facial aesthetic business, we want to concentrate on internal marketing, i.e. your existing patient list. And the number one strategy I use for this is email newsletter. We send this on a regular basis. It builds rapport, but also makes the patient aware of the services that we offer. Once you've mastered internal marketing, to scale your facial aesthetics business, we will be looking at external marketing strategies, which will cover obviously internet and social media campaigns. Tip number 3, harnessing the power of before and after photographs. It goes without saying, for a medical legal reason, you want to be taking before and after photos of your facial aesthetic patients. But the beauty of marketing these photos to your existing patients is amazing. We have a photo album in our clinic that shows realistic results that patients can relate to that are similar age and similar sex to them. But the beauty lies in marketing these photographs, obviously with the patient's permission. So what we do is have a photo album in our reception that has our patients' cases on them. And patients, prospective patients looking at facial aesthetics can relate to that patient because it looks like them, similar age, similar conditions, similar concerns. Compare this to the ones provided by manufacturers and companies. They are obviously touched up and look perfect. The problem with this is it gives prospective facial aesthetic patients unrealistic expectations, and you're going to have more complaints and concerns from those kind of patients. Tip number 4, the power of open days. As dental professionals, we are used to organising and running open days, for example, for implants, Invisalign, teeth whitening. There's no difference with facial aesthetics. One tip I would give you is don't just have it on facial aesthetics, because maybe patients may be embarrassed, nervous in case they bump into their friends. Organise it with your dental events as well. And we run our open events in 3 ways. The first part is a mini presentation by you, uncovering the myths about toxin treatments and dermal fillers. Second part is a live demo. I normally recommend to do on a team member, and we've had so many patients comment on how quick the procedure was, how comfortable it was, and it's converted those patients. The third part of the open day will be the question and answer session with you. This allies any fears and concerns that the patient may have. So the purpose of this open day is to build up confidence from your patients to convert them into facial aesthetic patients. The impact of this open day is that it allows patients to ask you questions directly, face to face, experience or watch the procedure being undertaken, and this gives them the confidence and trust in you and your dental practice to undertake these facial aesthetic services. Tip number 5, joint venturing. Joint venturing is working with partners that have access to a similar target market that you're aiming for, and they're non-competing business. So for example, we deal with a lot of personal trainers, beauty salons, wedding fairs, etc. They will have our target market that are interested in facial aesthetic services, and we will work with them to promote each other's services. This is a great way of accessing an already established database with an endorsement. Number 6, R&R. R&R stands for referrals and reviews. So what I've found in my 23 years experience in facial aesthetics is most of our patients come by word of mouth. Most patients interested in facial aesthetics would ask their friends, colleagues, family members who they already see. So it's important to get a referral program established with your facial aesthetic patients. Second R is reviews, namely Google reviews. We know the importance of endorsements from your current patients because prospective facial aesthetic patients will be looking whether it's on Google or Trustpilot. So we want to encourage as many reviews as possible from our facial aesthetic patients. For more information on this, please click the links below for our free guide on how to successfully launch your facial aesthetics business. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.